In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place an order on Alibaba. We'll walk through the full flow you'll see on your phone from launching the app to completing your payment so you can place your order with confidence. Keep your internet connection stable and have your usual delivery details ready so checkout is smooth. Start by opening the Alibaba app. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so your address and previous orders are available. From the home screen, you can browse categories or use the search bar to find what you need. Next, tap on a sample item you want to buy. A sample is a single unit or small quantity that lets you check quality before placing a larger order, and it's a great way to reduce risk. On the product page, take a moment to review the title, price, and any variations like color or size. Scroll through the photos and description, and glance at ratings to make sure it matches your expectations. You'll also see details like estimated shipping costs and processing time, which will help set delivery expectations. When you're ready, tap the Start Order button at the lower right. This takes you to the order setup screen. Here, confirm the quantity you want and select any required options. Make sure your shipping address is correct and formatted clearly for international delivery. You'll see an updated total that reflects the item cost plus shipping. If there's an estimated delivery window, note it so you know when to expect your package. Now, tap Pay Now. Alibaba supports secure payment methods, and you'll typically see options suitable for your region. Before you proceed, double-check the item, variation, quantity, address, and total amount. Taxes or duties may apply depending on your country, and the app will show the most accurate estimate it has. Trade assurance protects your payment until the order is fulfilled according to the listing, which adds a layer of security. Finally, follow the on-screen progress until it's done. You should see a confirmation once your payment is submitted and an order number you can reference later. From there, the order status will update as the seller prepares and ships your item. You can return to the order section in the app at any time to view details, track shipment once available, and receive notifications about updates. Keep an eye on messages in case the seller needs a quick clarification to keep things moving. And that's it. By opening the app, choosing your sample, starting the order, paying securely, and following the progress, you've successfully placed an order on